Here. Look at Win ice skating.
Wow, look at him lifting.
He's doing awfully good for someone who didn't want to get on.
This is Win's first time ever skating.
First time ever. He was scared to get on.
He really likes the camera. Bring the camera closer so we can talk.
You like the camera? We'll get a close-up.
He likes the camera.
I win.
What do you think about skating, Win?
I'm so scared. I'm gonna get out here.
No, you like it. You're
It's fun.
Gosh, no.
What's your
Omar, you
favorite-
doing good?
What's your favorite part about skating, Win?
Well, this my best part is this car is the worst spring ever.
You don't believe that. I know you don't. But what do we get when we're done? What do we get when you're done?
I'll be very happy and I will play games and eat.
You get to eat?
We play games.
We play games.
We play games. There we go. There we have it.
The best thing ever.
I'll see you guys get other questions.
Okay.
No.
You're done?